All right, here's a couple of questions where they're giving you a function, a function that describes something. So d of x stands for human years, just as I'm reading through this, human years, and x, all those x's, stand for dog years. Okay, so often they've said that years, for every human year, the dog has 7 years. So I guess this is a polynomial that's trying to describe a similar thing. So what they want you to know is what's the human equivalent for dogs that are 3, 12, and 16 years old. So what you need to do is substitute that 3 in wherever there's an x. So to determine what the human age is of a dog that's 3 years old, I'm going to put in 255. I'll put a 3 in right here. Cubed minus 0.340119, put a 3 there, squared, plus 7.397499 times another 3, plus 6.618361. And then just plug that in your calculator. And whatever number comes out, that is the human years when the dog is 3 years old. And then they want you to put a 12 in. So again, I would just use the same formula, but this time put a 12 in everywhere there's an x, and lastly put a 16 in. Okay, the next is very similar. Prison admissions since 2006. You can define that prison admissions where it says x is the number of years after 2001 can be used to estimate the number of prison admissions to state and federal prisons. Okay, so this whole function will do that. So x stands for the number of years after 2001. So if I'm in 2003, they want to know how many admissions were in 2003. How many years after 2001 is that? That's 2 years. So I'm going to take that 2 years and plug it in everywhere I see an x right there, put it in my calculator, figure out what the number comes out to. Then in 2006, I want to know how many years after 2001 that is. It's 5 years after, so I would plug in a 5 everywhere I see an x. All right. Hopefully that helps you. If you're having questions about plugging numbers in and coming out with the right answer, you can give me another holler and I can maybe try and show you that a little bit better on a calculator. All right, hopefully that helps.